Another tornado watch.
The National Weather Service.
Well, it's for me.
It's
for me. It's for my county.
6 a.m. Central Standard Time Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Alabama: Bibb, Chilton, Coosa, Jefferson, Shelby, Tuscaloosa,
Oh God,
and Walker.
that lightning.
Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 576 has been issued until 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Wednesday for the following counties in Alabama: Bibb, Chilton, Coosa, Jefferson, Shelby, Tuscaloosa, and Walker.
Well, it's about time it's here for me. Here it is.